I'm Bonnie Kempke. Welcome to my studio and welcome to Quilting on a Thread. I was so excited to get my Cutie Breeze up, and I just had to go take a test quilt off of my Cutie and Trouble and put it on here just to play, because this is just for play. And so in between then and now, I've put some tape, ruler tape, on my front and back rails so I can kind of center things up. I've put on the Grace Company speed controller. This is the speed controller that is documented in a document that I wrote to the Grace Company and to Ken's Sewing Center that documents how to make a particular Juki speed controller work on both the Allegro and the Jazz 2. And that's a game changer for people who cannot manage their own stitch length and their own speed. Now, this does not manage stitch length, but if you will move consistently, it will manage your speed. Preferably, for me, I prefer the pulse button. And this is the first stitching I have done. So I'm going to cut away and bring you over to see that stitching, and then I'm going to go ahead and show you, demonstrate doing some stitching. So just a moment. So these are my first stitches, and I started out just trying to dial into the stitches, and then you can see that I pretty much kept them fairly consistent. I'm going to go ahead and do a little bit more stitching, and we'll see if I can stay as consistent as I was. That's it for now. I've checked underneath and my stitches look just as nice on top as they do on bottom. My only issue so far is trying to figure out how I'm going to use my space, because the Allegro has a very long tongue, if you will, in front of the needle, a very long lip. And so that's eating up a good bit of my space. I can't wait until I get my Rebel package in, because my Rebel will be just right for this frame. So I hope that helps you so far in your journey. My next video is going to be actually going ahead and loading up our demo sheet, our demo quilt top that came with the Cutie Breeze package. So hope to see you again here on Quilting on a Thread. Bye-bye now.